Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to export all tracks as one in Logic Pro. So let's get straight into it. Now we will turn on the yellow bar at the top. So if we activate this loop tool, cycle tool basically. Now next thing is to check that it's all the way to the end of your song, like so. Now what we do next is basically open the export button, which is right here at the top right corner. If you don't see it, you have this export button. If you just tap here, go to the file, you have export option also here. Or if you go to the project name, you have export option right over here. Okay, export. So yeah, this will open the same menu. Now what we have, we can change the name of the project, we can change file type. On every this file type we have here, you see this blue icon at the right side. So you have extra options here, settings. So in this uncompressed one, we have file type AIFF or WAV. We can adjust bit depth and we can adjust sample rate also. Now then compressed, the same thing. Here is also that you can download as an MP3 file. Then we have here entire project length. We can also do that. Now it's just set manually. Then also we have processing details. We can adjust mode. We can include audio tails and so on. Now if we select uncompressed, we can also export all tracks as individual audio files. So if you want to export all tracks as one, I recommend you that you don't activate this export all tracks as individual audio files. Just leave that off and you will have basically one file. And yeah, this is basically, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.